Shreem is not only money, but it is your own life energy. I'll give you an example. From morning till evening now, I have been trying to give money as much as possible to the people who come and see me. And these are poor people. And I glow. And that to me is nurturing Shreem. Shreem is life energy. Unfortunately, Shreem is associated with matter. But Shreem is your prana. And everyone is happy and then smile, whether he is rich, poor, or a beggar. So the teaching for this age is Shreem Brzee. Shreem is life energy. Shreem is wealth. Shreem is money. And money is life. And life will be gone without money.